Today, good morning. Today is us finally arrived. This is Amber Fort. What do you think? First impressions?
I think Amber is more beautiful than the Jager.
Yeah, I agree. Biggest rookie error. Forgot sun cream. Got a little crowd watching it. Something to remember, especially for Jaipur, is to bring your student ID, because if you're a student, you save 400 rupees, which is great. Only have to pay 100 to go to Amber Fort. Run as fast as you can.
You know,
You're famous.
I'm used to it. When you're a superstar, man.
Yeah. Get packed in Switzerland all the time, don't you?
Oh yeah, always, man.
Walking up more stairs now. Seem to be getting a private tour from the guard. Where are we going?
To go to the turn or
Open. Yeah, no
it's
problem.
open?
No problem.
Yeah.
Apparently this is the King's Fort and that is the Army Fort.
Servant apartment.
And there's a 2-kilometre tunnel which is open over there which you can go to. It's a video, so just hold it.
Sorry.
And now he's blocked us in a corner. Oh my God. Well, that was really annoying because it's so hot here and we're standing. Yeah, so I'm shooting a time lapse and then they all come over and start taking selfies and standing in front of the GoPro. It's so annoying and it's too hot here, so we're going off now. Next place. The other thing is that Guillaume and I aren't wearing sun cream. Rookie error. Completely forgot, and so we're screwed.
You don't have the
School. Now we're heading off to Jai Mahal, which is the water palace, which is just over there. Happened again. So I'm trying pav bhaji, which is bread and this great potato gravy sauce, I think. I'm not really sure. And you basically grab the bread, which they've fried, and dip it in, and then eat it. It's lovely. Guillaume, what are you eating?
Good question. I don't know.
What's it called? Is it Utzpan? Is it?
Utzpan, yeah.
Utzpan, yeah.
And like kind of a pancake. Oh, yours is like more.
So our tuk-tuk driver just told us to get to this fort, there's a 2-kilometre walk uphill. Ugh. And it's not just any normal walk, we have to walk all the way up there. Love to have my drone here. So I don't think we're going to make it up to the fort, but we're going to do a lot of photography around here in this lovely area. I just missed your mad parkour skill. So I'm now extremely burnt, so we're going to go back and I'm going to end the vlog here. Oh, okay, I did one more thing. Goodbye. I keep lying to you, I'm sorry. I think it's now time to end the vlog.